Hi everyone, welcome once again to the Android Kenya channel, and today we are looking at this. This here is the realme C33. It's a new smartphone that launched in Kenya towards the end of the year. I got this specific review unit just a few days to Christmas, and this device was announced globally by realme back in September. So I have my knife here, but I don't think I'll need it. Let's see what you get inside the box of the realme C33. It's all yellow, standard realme series device. And then on the box it says here we have a 5000 milliampere hour battery, massive battery, of course it's big. And then this device is very thin. It's only 8.3 millimeters thick, and then it has a 50 megapixel AI camera, and it has a powerful Unisoc T612 processor. Unisoc is the whatever became of Spreadtrum, if you remember those kinds of processors. So here we are. Here's our device. So it's very easy, just slide out, open, you get this. So we have this small box inside the box. We are getting to it shortly. Then here is our device itself. We'll have a look. Yes, it does feel as thin as they say it is. Then here is our charging cable. Now all good and all, but this device here uses a micro USB charger. So yeah, there's that. And then here is the power adapter. This is what will give you the 10-watt fast charging. This device has 10-watt fast charging. So let's get those aside. Let's see what you have inside this small box. Yeah, some documentation. This is an information guide, and this a quick guide. So not much else is here. Of course, there's an indication here that our SIM tray pin ejector is here. So here it is. You use this to eject the SIM tray for that. The device, I understand, has dual SIMs, nano SIMs specifically, and of course it does have a micro SD card slot. And here is the realme C33 in all its glory. Looks nice, feels nice, and it comes in this color. They are calling it the aqua blue color. So yeah, does look nice, very nice. So let's get rid of this. Okay, let's power it on and see this device come to life for the first time. So here we are getting a glimpse of our realme UI. This is based on Android 12, which is what powers this device, and of course, as indicated, we are having Unisoc T612 chipset inside here. This device, I didn't show on the box, but this has 4GB RAM and 64GB of onboard storage, and that should be going for around 15,000 shillings in the country. I've seen some traders price it all the way to 23,000 shillings, but the RRP should be around 15,000 shillings to match those specs. Other things, front facing here, this is a 5 megapixel selfie shooter, and at the back here we have a 50 megapixel main shooter, and then the secondary lens here is a 0.3 megapixel depth sensor. And then of course the 4GB RAM is UFS 2.2 storage. So the read and write speeds of this device, go without saying, like any modern device, are considerably higher. And then this is a 6.5-inch display in this glorious 20:9 aspect ratio to accommodate the notch up top where we have the front-facing selfie camera, and then this HD plus display as a result, 270 pixels per inch. And yeah, inside here is a 5000 milliampere hour battery, as we saw indicated on the box. And the other thing that we forgot to mention, there is a 3.5mm headphone jack, then there's a mic here, and then we do have the micro USB port, of course, and then a pair of speakers. Not a pair, it's a singular speaker, bottom firing down there. And yeah, this device looks nice in this aqua blue color. The other color options, there is the night sea and the sandy gold. I have no idea what those look like, but if you're in the market for this device, those are the options. We'll be using this device over the next few days, and we'll be sharing snippets of the performance here and there. Realme has kept everything here clean, but you do get Snapchat and TikTok pre-installed. There's an app called Kwai. There's also Spotify, Booking.com, some game here, LinkedIn, and yeah, that's around it. There's Amazon app too. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you next time.